Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to share some interesting facts about wolf eel. Keep watching and don't forget to click the bell icon. Despite its name, the wolf eel is actually a fish. It was given this name because of its powerful jaws and sharp teeth that it uses to crush hard-shelled creatures, such as crabs and abalone. Wolf eels are very large fish. They can be up to 8 feet long and weigh around 40 pounds. 3 incredible wolf eel facts. Number 1. The skeleton of a wolf eel is cartilaginous. This means that they can flex their body, making it possible for them to get into tighter spaces. Number 2. When they are first born, wolf eels have bright orange coloring. Over time, this color will fade to brown, gray, or green. Number 3. A layer of slime covers the skin of a wolf eel. The slime acts as a protective coating and functions similarly to a human's immune system. Wolf eel classification and scientific name. The scientific name of the wolf eel is Anerythis ocellatus. Anerythis is a Greek word that means fish. Ocellatus is a Latin term that refers to the spot on the wolf eel that looks like eyes. The wolf eel is part of the order Perciformes. This is the largest order of vertebrates and over 40% of all bony fish are included in this order. The wolf eel belongs to the Actinopterygii class and the family Anerythishatidae. Including the wolf eel, there are 5 different species of fish included in this family, also known as the wolffish family. Wolf eel appearance. The wolf eel's name may be a bit deceiving. This animal is actually a fish, not an eel. Like other fish, they have pectoral fins and pairs of gill slits. The wolf eel is a fish with one dorsal fin that goes nearly the whole length of their body. Their skeleton is made up of between 228 and 250 fishbones that are flexible. They have a small caudal fin and no pelvic fins. Older wolf eels are gray, green, or brownish-gray in color. The gender of a wolf eel will determine its coloring, with males being grayer and females being browner. They also have dark spots along the backside of their body. The specific pattern of these spots is also determined by the gender. Wolf eel is a very large fish. An adult may be up to 8 feet long and can weigh up to 41 pounds. They have a cartilaginous skeleton, which makes their bodies very flexible. This makes it easier for them to work their way into tighter crevices and spaces. These fish have extremely powerful jaws. They use these jaws to bite and crush their prey. They also have a thick layer of slime that covers their body. The slime functions like an immune system and works to protect wolf eels. Because their scales are smaller and embedded in their skin, they almost look like they are covered in leather. Wolf eel distribution, population, and habitat. These fish can be found along the Pacific coast of North America. They range from Baja California to Kodiak Island, Alaska. They can be found as far west as Russia down to the Sea of Japan in the south. These fish may swim in shallower waters or deeper waters. They can be found as deep as 741 feet below the surface. They are found in saltwater. Adults choose to spend most of their time in tighter, more enclosed spaces. They can often be found in caves or small crevices along rocks or pilings. They turn these areas into a den, where they spend much of their time hiding out and looking for prey. However, while they are still young, juveniles choose to swim around in more open water. Once they are old enough to mate, they will find a den with their partner and live there for the rest of their life. While it is unclear what the total population is, their numbers seem to be stable. What threats do wolf eels face? These fish has a few natural predators. These include harbor seals, sharks, and other big fish. The juvenile may face additional predators since they are not as large as adults. Eggs are also targeted by other fish, such as rockfish and kelp greenling. These fish also face threats caused by humans. They are sometimes fished for, but because they are larger and generally stay well below the surface, they are not very easy to catch. However, they do sometimes accidentally get caught in fishing nets or other fishing gear, which can kill them. They are also negatively impacted by pollution. What do wolf eels eat? The powerful jaws of these fish allow them to eat animals with a hard shell, such as crabs, sea urchins, sand dollars, abalone, mussels, and clams. They also eat softer foods such as other fish or squid. Their jaws clamp down and crush their foods. Wolf eel in fishing and cooking. Some people do catch these fish recreationally. Some also cook and eat this fish. The tribal healers of some Native American tribes that lived in the coastal northwestern were the only ones in the tribe allowed to eat them. They believed it could improve their healing abilities. These fish has white flesh. It has a mildly sweet taste. The taste is similar to that of wild trout. That was all about wolf eel. Do you like the facts we shared? Let us know on comment section. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.